Next big one, I feel like I put this in really early and then now it seems everyone's doing it. So I think that's amazing. And that is the signing package video. It saves so much time. I used to hear people having these really long signing video sessions and I'm like, holy crap, like just record a Loom video. People can rewind, they can pause, they can do any clarifying questions, they can circle back with you, but they always have that video to reference. And this is going to be a huge time saver, even if you have those kind of like OCD clients or clients who just need a little bit more hand holding, who want to have that additional session. I always send this video and I say, watch this first. This is your primer, and then we can go deep on it together.
Yeah, and that the signing package video idea has been around, I want to say at least 3 or 4 years, if not more. And I always thought everyone did it until we went, I think it was our broker course where someone brought it up saying like, "Hey, I do." And everyone's like, "Oh, that's a great idea." I'm like, "Man,
Yeah.
I thought everyone was doing it." But like I think we think that because our outer circle, that like our inner circle that we are friends with, everyone else does it, right? So that's kind of the point of masterminding and stuff. But yeah, you'd be mind blown as to how many people in the industry actually do it.
Yeah. So it's a very simple thing to implement. Any form of screen recorder, Loom, BombBomb, whatever you use, just record the signing package, go through. You're just talking through the generalities of it, and clients love it. So definitely implement it if you're one of those who hasn't put this into your process yet.
And if you haven't, don't worry about it. You don't feel bad. The one thing tip I will say is I was using BombBomb forever, and then we talked about this briefly, but I'll mention it again. I switched to Loom this year, and it's been so much better from a user case experience. Like I can pause the video now, which is like I don't understand how BombBomb doesn't have a pause feature yet. If you're going through a 10-15 minute signing package video and you mess up like greatly, usually, if I mess up a little bit, I'll just keep trucking, but if it's a big mess up or like a dog's barking in the background, I'll wanna pause it, and you can't do that with BombBomb, you gotta restart it, so there's a big tip there, just stick with Loom.
Loom is great for that. Like I had a this week I was recording one and I just had this like total brain fart and I couldn't even remember what I was talking about. And it was like 3 minutes of me being like, oh, what was I even talking about? And then I just like at the end edited that whole clip out of the Loom and it was fine. The client was none the wiser on it. But if it was a bomb bomb, I would have been like,
Oh,
okay, I gotta
yeah,
go restart this whole thing.
that's a great point, the editing feature alone. I bet
Yeah.
you were foggy from the Ellicottville beers.
Yeah. Definitely a few too many beers there.